Today, we're diving into the Rega Neo High Performance Turntable PSU power supply upgrade. This sleek device, housed in a new style case, brings a host of improvements to the table. With a focus on anti-vibration technology, circuit protection, and enhanced power supply regulation, the Neo PSU is a game-changer for Rega 24V motor turntables. One of the standout features is the convenience of electronic speed change, offering a seamless transition between speeds. This not only adds a layer of user-friendliness but also contributes to the reduction of motor noise, a significant win for audiophiles seeking pristine sound quality. Weighing in at a mere 3.15 pounds, the Neo PSU doesn't compromise on stability. The DC motor type ensures reliable performance, and its compatibility extends to various Rega turntable models, including the P3-24, RP3, Planar 3 2016, RP6, P5, P7, RP40 Special Edition, and RP8. It's even suitable for older Rega turntables equipped with the aftermarket 24V motor upgrade kit. In practical terms, this power supply upgrade brings a noticeable enhancement to the overall listening experience. The improved stability and reduced motor noise contribute to a more immersive, high-fidelity sound. Whether you're a seasoned audiophile or a vinyl enthusiast looking to elevate your setup, the Rega Neo PSU power supply upgrade is a worthy investment. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.